Business users need to do more than draw data pictures with fancy analytic tools. We need to answer real and often difficult business problems. And instead of merely describing what happened, we want the decision intelligence system to tell us what we actually should do. This is the strategic last mile of analytics, the development and deployment of decision modeling. Decision modeling is taking data and logic to drive what-if simulations and design optimization models that literally resolve what we should do. This requires a special ML engine. Meet Solve, the newest addition to Pyramid's decision intelligence platform designed to help you deliver the elusive strategic last mile in analytics. Imagine I need to meet energy output targets while reducing cost, meet pollution standards, and meet or exceed renewable energy directives for different regions. At the same time, the price of power is fluctuating and power targets are being recalibrated daily. Using Pyramid's Tabulate business modeling spreadsheet app, I have blended 4 live queries covering power cost, capacity, pollution metrics, and the target megawatt output. I create a business model table in these cells to encapsulate the calculation of total cost based on quantity and the power cost per source. The model includes logic to reflect pollution emissions from each source and minimum renewable energy levels. To give me some latitude to play with the possibilities, I added input controls to let users adjust the target power needs and the renewable energy unit costs. Now we inject our business model and live data into Solve to drive a decision model. First, the goal is to minimize production costs by adjusting the quantity of power produced by power source, while delivering the total targeted power requirements. Then we add other constraints to handle pollution limits and renewable energy targets. By running Solve, the decision model tells us what power we should be producing. And it just gave us that decision. If providing users with decisions on complex problems was not enough, Pyramid also allows us to share the model with other users without sending them the underlying spreadsheet, model, or data. Simply drag, drop, and deploy. And suddenly, everyone can make decisions with live data, going above and beyond merely visualizing it. No code, secure, and fully governed. And best of all, I now know exactly how much power I should be producing. Pyramid, for what's next in data.